How to add another Instagram account on one device. And welcome to this video where I am going to show you exactly how to add another Instagram account on one device. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. First, what we need to do is open up Instagram, and then you should tap on profile at the bottom right corner. So from this example I show you two ways how you can add another Instagram account to your device. First way, from your profile tap on your username here and then tap on add account and then tap on login into existing account. So it's the first way. And second way, when you on your profile tap on three lines at the top right corner, then tap on settings, scroll down and tap on add account, then tap on login into existing account. Here enter your second login and password, then tap on login. And now as you can see, I add a new Instagram account on one device. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.